Hi there! Welcome to another Linux vlog, where we look at a Linux operating system by running it off of a USB, which means running a live session. This episode is a bit special as we look at MX Linux. Why special? Well, let's go ahead and head over to Distro Watch. If you are looking for an operating system, Distro Watch is a good place to start. As you all can see here, they have here a list that goes up to 100. Although not all operating systems listed here are Linux distros, most are. The good thing about Distro Watch is their listing is based on popularity. Hits per day in particular. As far as most Linux users are concerned, among the most popular distros are Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Fedora, Elementary and Arch. But the number one on this list is MX Linux, which is a bit odd, because not many in the Linux community talk about this distro. So today, we are going to check it out. To begin, let's check out some basic information about MX Linux. MX Linux is based on Debian Stable, and, in cooperation with Antix, which is another Linux distro. As you all can see here, MX Linux has more than 4,500 hits per day. That's more than 4,500 unique visitors per day. Now let us head over to MX Linux official website. MX Linux claims to be a mid-weight operating system. So, unlike lightweight operating system, it should come with a bunch of softwares pre-installed. Which is good so we can go about our business and be productive right after installation. MX Linux promises to be stable and with a friendly user interface. It also promises that users can install the operating system on a USB drive, so users can just plug the USB on any computer and boot from it. And use their personal files without worrying that users will leave traces on the host computers. And like most Linux distros, MX Linux promises to have a friendly community so new users can expect help if anything goes wrong. Why MX Linux? Let's answer that by running it live. Let's click download, shall we? MX Linux has 3 images available for download. One for 32-bit computers, one for 64-bit computers, and one for recently manufactured computers. We can download these images from their provided mirrors, which are MX Linux's servers. Or we can download the torrent files as it is the fastest way of downloading files. Let's go ahead and click on the torrent. Now here we can choose the torrent file to download. Since this computer is 64-bit, so I will download the MX 19.1 64-bit torrent file. Once you downloaded the torrent file, you can now begin downloading the image by using a torrent client. In this example, Transmission is our torrent client, so we'll open the file with it. Just click open and the download will begin, which we are not going to do because Jay already downloaded it. As a matter of fact, we are now running on the MX Linux live environment. Jay, which is the geek who made this video, actually recorded and edited this video you are now seeing in this live environment. Let us now begin exploring MX Linux. As always, first, let's check the computer specs. Next, let's check how much resources the operating system is using at idle. Now, we are going to check the productivity apps. Full LibreOffice suite is pre-installed. For connecting to the internet, we have Firefox pre-installed, and that is the latest version. For entertainment, we have a music player Clementine and a video player VLC. We also have basic games, and a bunch of accessories, tweak tools, and system tools. For installing our favorite apps, there are 3 ways in which we can do it. By using the terminal, by using the MX package installer. And by using the Synaptics Package Manager. And finally, if we don't like the default appearance, right-clicking on the desktop, go to Applications, MX Tweaks. From here we can modify our panel, window behavior and keyboard shortcuts. That's about it for this video. You can download MX Linux by clicking the link in the description below. And if you'd like an excellent text-to-speech program like what Jay is using in this video, link is in the description. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe to the channel. Once again, thanks for watching.